It
Hey, can
it
you hear me?
it is really nice to meet you.
Yeah, great,
Yeah, I can hear
great.
you, man. How about you? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you properly. Where are you from?
Great. That's amazing, man. I think you can see this. I mean, you can see this from my country's flag. Can see?
Yeah,
Can't you see it?
yeah, you're
I
from
can see that you
Burundi,
are from
Burundi maybe.
Bangladesh, right? Bangladesh, right?
Yes, I'm from Bangladesh, and this is my first time with whom I'm talking, who is from Burundi.
Oh, that's amazing, isn't it?
Yes. So
Yeah,
what do you do for living?
I'm a representative for my country here on this platform.
Oh, great. Okay, fantastic. Can you say something about your country?
Yeah, for sure. I think I can. It is a country in the east. It's in the middle of Rwanda, Tanzania, and DRC. It is naturally beautiful. People here speak three languages, to include Kiswahili, French, and Kirundi. Well, French is the official language, while Kirundi is the native language, if not the first language. And people are more than united. People stay together through thick and thin. Well, things are great. Basically, the country is safe. We have a lot of tourists pouring in our country to see, the beauty of our country. Well, this is all. This is it for now. Would you like to say a few words with regard to your country of
Okay,
Bangladesh?
very nice. Thank you. Yes, country is also beautiful. Especially it's a natural beautiful. Bangladesh is only one country who has 6 seasons. Among them, summer, winter, autumn, late autumn, spring, monsoon. These 6 seasons are
Mm,
available in a year. And in Bangladesh has the world's largest sea that is called Bay of Bengal. And also we have a different
mm,
kind of tourist place hill, and also our capital it's Dhaka, the called the city of
mm.
mosque. So in our city, in our capital, there are a huge or uncountable mosques that is not available in other city in other country.
Wow, thank you very much. I appreciate your country's description. It's been really amazing, and I've been really glad to learn that your country does have a 6 seasons, right? That's amazing. I really like that. I'm so into geography, and I will probably take some time to dig deep into your country. I would like to know more facts
Yes, right.
respecting country. Okay, now let's talk about ourselves. What did you feel living?
Okay, I'm a university student. It's my first time I study about economics in my country.
Oh, how amazing! Are you doing economics? Is that what you
Yes, I
said?
love economics, but it's a little bit tough, but I love it.
Okay, great. Very nice. In which grade are you? I mean, are you freshman? Are you a sophomore? Are you a senior? I mean, I want to know your grade.
Okay, please repeat the questions. Your voice is breaking.
All right, I'm sorry. That's largely due to the internet connection. I was asking about your university grade. I mean, I was wondering if you were in the first grade, the second
Oh,
grade,
okay.
or
Okay,
the
I have
third
got your
grade.
questions. So, I'm pursuing my bachelor. This is my first year. So, in Bangladesh, the bachelor is consisted or made with 4 years. So, I belongs to the first year.
Oh, great. That's good. How have your studies been going so far?
My age.
I mean, your studies. I mean, how have been? How have been going? I mean, do you found
How
it
is going
easy
my
for you? I
studies?
mean, do you like what you're doing?
Like
What's
how?
going on? I mean, are your grades growing up? And what would you say about your studies so far?
Okay, very nice question. So you can how is your family? Actually, I want to know which continent is your country located?
Okay, great. That's a good one. Well, my country is located in the east of Africa. This is an African country. It is sometimes viewed as, the African's heart. I would say this is its symbol. I mean, this is what people believe it might be. I mean, this is what people think my country represents. Yeah, that's it, man. It's really nice. I would like you to have you over, and I would offer to take you to different place, different points of interest.
Yeah, yeah, yes. I appreciate it to talk to you for the first time. If I get chance, I'll talk a lot of people who is from your country. It's very nice and very pleasure for
Uh,
me.
Absolutely, the same. The same here. I have talked to a couple of guys from Bangladesh, and everyone sounded really amazing. You guys are really kind. I like the way you talk.
Okay,
Keep it
thank you
going,
so
people.
much, bro.
Yeah, time is up. All right, see ya.